Hey, welcome to Car Channel Help. My name is Tim. What is Car Channel Help? Well, I created this channel to help those of us who have channels where we're working on our cars, our trucks, whatever it is, vehicle related, motorcycles, doesn't matter. I wanted to try to help make better videos. I'm not an expert mechanic, and as you can see, I have a channel called Rust Revival Garage, and on that channel I'm doing a lot of the things for the very first time. I'm learning how to work on my cars as I make my videos. But I do have a lot of experience in my day jobs. I've actually worked as an internet marketer, doing digital marketing with ads and social media and writing content and creating website pages, all of that sort of thing for 20 plus years. So I've got a lot of copywriting experience, a lot of experience in creating video. And so I kind of wanted to share some of that experience to help you make more engaging videos, better videos, more entertaining, so that you get more subscribers, more views, longer engagement, and hopefully grow your channel. That's basically what I'm trying to do with Car Channel Help. Also, in my younger days, I spent about 15 years in Hollywood. I was writing for films, I was directing and editing and doing just about every job you could think of in making films. So I have a lot of experience in being able to help you with lighting your video, doing sound for your video, editing your video, lots of tips to help with the story. So that's kind of what I wanted to share on this channel. I'd love it if you could subscribe. I'm going to be doing tips on how to make better thumbnails, how to create better descriptions and taglines and keywords in your videos, and so that you get found and that you get more views. Like I said, I mean, the whole goal of making your car channel on YouTube is to grow those subscribers, get lots of views, hopefully become paid, and even if that's not your goal, but you kind of want more and more people to watch, well, what do you need to do? And I kind of wanted to share the information that I've learned in my day jobs throughout the years, and help you be able to do that. So subscribe to the channel if you've got a car channel, and set it up so you get notifications every time I have a new video. Again, I'm doing my day job, and I'm also making my videos on my cars. So I don't always have a ton of time to make these, but set the notifications so that you get alerted whenever I drop a new video. And comment, let me know if you have questions. I'm here to help. I'm not trying to grow this channel to the point where I'm making money from it. And I'm no expert on everything by any means. I've only got 1,000 subscribers at this point on my channel. But I still do know how to see things, that you could make improvements on. I see how, things that are missing, things that you could do better. And I just kind of want to help everybody out there and give a little bit back. And so that's my goal with this channel. So thanks very much for watching. This is sort of my welcome video, and let me know how I can help. You can email me at rustrevivalgarage@gmail.com if you have a video that you'd like to see, or if there's a question that you have and you don't have room in the comments or something like that. But just let me know, and like I said, I'm just here to help, and hopefully you'll grow that channel. You'll get more people watching, and you'll get more clicks and more likes and more impressions and longer video duration viewing, all of that kind of stuff. I've got lots of tips on the SEO side of things for marketing, copywriting, how to ask questions or create an appealing headline so that people want to click on that video. And I'll give examples of things that people are doing right and doing wrong. So like I said, I'm rambling on at this point, but welcome to Car Channel Help, and hopefully I can help you and your car channel. Thanks very much.